Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today's update video for JASMY. We are trading at 0.01013. 24-hour volume, we are down 64%. Market cap, we're down also at 3.75% here. So going on to our chart, our daily chart here, we can see that the price retraced all the way up here at 11680, pulled back, considered to be overbought. As we can see, our RSI again capped at 100% for both K and D lines. And we see that the crossover occurred just yesterday. So again, considered to be overbought, found near the top of the Bollinger Band. Again, another overbought indicator as well. Price is going to retrace back down, and where we can see the price may actually come back to again is going to be this area or the outskirts of this supply and demand from our volume indicator, or roughly around 61% of our fib. We can see already we dropped as low as the 9800, not quite as the 61% time frame, but I do feel like the price, when it comes back down, we're going to catch ourselves closer to this. It's still going to work in our favor of this uptrend on a long term because it's still found above the 20 MA here. We can see volume as well is slowly decreasing today, slowly at 3.152 billion. Yesterday in this pump here, we got 8.95 trades. Going into immediate short term for 4 hours, we're going to be taking a look again at our RSI. It is considered to be oversold here as the price retraced closer to the top of the Bollinger Band. But if you notice that our RSI didn't even hit 80%. So again, we're seeing weakness as the price is coming up. It only reached 71 to 49% of our D line. Didn't even again cross over our 80% to be considered to be overbought here. What we can see, it was retraced closer to the top of the Bollinger Band. That was one hit as well. And if we take a look at the momentum of our MACD, it did slow down closer to this candlestick, a spinning top candlestick, as we're coming back down again. So as the price is coming back down, we do see that the changeover of the momentum of the trend of our MACD has changed as the two lines entered in the 20% zone. So what we can see for our RSI is that these two lines have crossed over, initiating a subtle hint that the price may actually retrace or actually reverse at this dollar amount as price came back down to an area of support of 9818. So what we're going to see in the next couple of hours for JASMY is price is going to consolidate sideways, and we're going to be capped up at a resistance and found supporting numbers. So what I mean about that is when we take a look at the current trend of a bearish trend and we see that the RSI is low, it is signifying a good buying opportunity, but it is still pushing us closer to a bear momentum or a bear market. So opening up our new fib chart on a 4-hour chart, what I mean about that is that we are going to find ourselves capped up at this level of 10357 until we can be able to turn a reversal on our MACD. So I'm thinking price is going to come back down, retrace closer to 23% of our fib, or where we can see better support. I'm just going to pull out our volume indicator and have this adjust here. Is slightly above the 50%, again, closer to 23%. We've seen that area of support hitting a low RSI and then picking it up once again. So as the price reacts to the RSI and the MACD, and then finally we're able to see the crossover of the current trend from bearish to bullish, we're able to break through this resistance line of 38%. But what we're going to do is we're going to come back down to support. We're going to come back up to resistance, get rejected off here if it's still a bearish market, and then coming back down. If we see the switch over here coming back up, you guys, we're going to break through this and we're going to come up to the 61% of our fib here. So that's kind of my outlook for JASMY. We are going to be consolidating sideways as the market itself is showing us more of a bear market, and we're considered to be oversold here. So both of the two things contradict itself, and we are going to come come back up. But again, because we're in the bear market, we are going to get rejected from this line until we see that crossover and strong momentum's pushing us to close above this. Another alert as well, as the price is retracing downwards, so long as we don't close below the 20 MA where we are currently at, the price is right now, then we are still going to be in a strong uptrend, essentially from this market here from July 27th. We want this current trend. We want the momentum of this bull trend to continue, but we do see some weakness around these couple of hours because we're seeing majority of the times around the 20 MA here. So that's my outlook here for JASMY, you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.